Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel once again. So in this video we are going to talk about another new opportunity that can give you 10k giveaway account. Okay, so I've been dropping a new opportunity every single day on this channel on no deposit bonus free funded account. So if that interests you, just is to just subscribe to the channel. I do my own research and give out the information to you. So remember, the video is for informational purpose and entertainment purpose only. And remember, all free accounts are virtual fund. You can't withdraw them unless you meet the criteria laid by the profile before you can withdraw. So with that being said, let's go straight into this. So and this particular opportunity have 4 good steps. So in these 4 good steps, you are going to perform a simple task, and then from there you can lead to join the giveaway. Okay, so first you have to join the MENA funded Discord. Okay, so after you join the MENA funded Discord, you have to say hi. I'm from Trade Cloud Community. Okay, so Trade Cloud Community is a Discord community where they share new opportunity on free funded accounts every single day. So you have to join that. So every link that you can use to join all this will be uploaded in the Telegram channel. The link to join my Telegram channel is in the video description. Okay, I share updates there. So you have to be there. Updates that I can't do video on, you can get them there. Okay, it's not every day that I used to get time and record video. So when you get to the MENA funded Discord, you have to say hi, I'm from Trade Cloud Community, and then tax a screen shot as a proof. So okay, you have to take a screenshot, okay, as a proof. So post the proof in the tax proof, okay. So when you go to the Discord, so let's click on the link to join the Discord. So here's the link. You just have to click on it and it will take you to the MENA Discord where you can continue the rest of the process there. But before you go there, you have to screenshot the MENA community. Okay, sorry, the cloud community before you go there. So I will accept and then join this Discord. Okay, so let it load and then I show you the rest of the process that you need to do. Okay, so you must complete a few more steps, so you have to click on continue. Okay, then I have to read this before you can talk here. You will need to complete the request steps. Okay, number one, be respectful, blah blah blah. Okay, so we have to read and check this box that we have agreed on the rules. So you click on submit. So after you click on submit, you'll be taken back to the Discord right here. Okay, so we now have to verify. Okay, we have to done our verification. So let's click on verify and then we wait for this to load for us to do the verification. So let's click on verify button right here. Everything is going slowly right here because there is a network issue right here. So I'm being verified. So you can see I have access to all the channel within Discord, this Discord right here. Okay, so you can see them clearly. So I'll now go to general chat. Okay, so when I get to the general chat, I have to type in, hi, I'm from Cloud Trade Community. Okay, so this is what you have to do. So you click on hi. Okay, I'm from Trade Cloud Community. Okay, then you have to send this. Okay, so that is what you have to do. Very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. So after you are done with this, you have to take screenshot of this as well. The thing that you posted here. Okay. So after you take a screenshot of it, we have to go back to the trade cloud community. Okay. So let's go there to the trade cloud community where we have to go and upload the screenshot. Okay, so we are here. So you click on the tax proof. Let's click on the tax proof, which is the tax proof. So here is the tax proof. Okay, let it load. You see some people to be posting right here. Okay, so I'll go and do the screenshot part on my mobile phone. Okay, that's the PC level. You can see how people are pasting it here. I am from a trade cloud community. So this is what you have to do. So like I screenshot, I will just click on the plus sign right here. When I click on the plus sign, then I'll have access to upload a file. So I'll click on upload a file and then I'll upload a picture or the screenshot right here. And that is it. You are done. So you just keep eye on the community to see if you have been taken as a winner from the giveaway. So this is a short update I have for you guys today. See you guys tomorrow on another opportunity. This looks so difficult and boring, but this is how I used to get my account. I don't buy Profirm again. Just take part in their giveaway and then win account. That is all. So see you guys tomorrow on new opportunity.